What is going on, you guys? We are back out here, and in today's video I've actually come down to Narooma on the south coast of New South Wales. So I've already gone for a bit of a scout around so far and just trying to find a few different locations. It's currently about 6 p.m. in the afternoon, so I only have about 2 hours before the sun sets. But I found this location and I've heard some good things about it as well. So I'm currently walking there now, and apparently it's about a 15-minute walk. So yeah, come along with me while we come check it out. Okay, so yes, I have made it down onto the beach. So that's kind of where we want to be. Hi, dog. There's a dog behind me. So yeah, so I've made it onto the beach, which is kind of where we want to be. We're pretty much just walking towards our exact target as we speak. So one thing to note, it did take me a little bit longer to get down here than I had anticipated. I am running a little bit short since it is now 6:30, so it took me about half an hour rather than 15 minutes. Trust Google Maps, right? But yeah, we're not too far away now. Looks really small from here, but we've actually made it to Glasshouse Rocks house, which is this big rock right over here. It just juts out, and there's a whole bunch of other smaller rocks. It's a really super cool place to shoot. So let's see if we can get a little closer, and we'll put the drone up. Glasshouse Rocks house. So I'm going to grab my camera out of my bag and I'm going to set up a few shots just while we're here, just while we still have a bit of light left as well. So let's get into it. Alright, since I can't get too close to it, since it's in the middle of the ocean, I'm just going to get a few shots from here, and maybe I'll come back at a later stage and get some even better shots, eh? Okay, at the moment I'm trying to use this rock here in the foreground as like a leading line towards it. So it's going alright, it's a work in progress. So one of the things I am finding is that because of the salt spray, it's kind of hard to get it in focus, but I'll keep trying. There's even a few, like look at this, there's even a few close shots over here where the rocks are just sticking out of the water and it looks just so cool. And you even have the shallowness of the or the reflection of the waves coming in. So yeah, something cool to shoot, I think. So the sun has literally just set behind the mountain range there. So I'm going to try coming over here a little bit further. And I'm gonna try shooting from over here. So for these rocks over here, I'm trying to get it as the wave sort of breaks. So I've only got 24-70 on, so I can't get super close to them. But yeah, let's just take a few shots and hopefully we can get something from it. So I have a 1/3200th of a second, f2.8 at ISO 320 I should say. So yeah, I'm just trying to sort of get some shots, and I also have it on like low burst mode as well. So trying to get it like really freeze that motion as the waves are breaking. Okay, so I know this is only a little short video, but hopefully I plan to come back down here when I have a bit more time. Today I kind of got lost in the trail coming in here, so you know, it happens. But yeah, I just kind of want to get out of here before it gets too dark, because I'm not really properly prepared for when it's a little bit colder once it gets a little darker. But otherwise, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video of me coming down here and shooting the Glasshouse Rocks, whatever they're called. I'll post my photos on my Instagram, so be sure to go check that one out. I cannot talk. But with all that being said and done, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya.